Jamaica College is represented this evening by team captain Jaheem Corey, Mason J. Edwards, Jamarley Banton, and Marvin White. While Dinthill Technical is represented by Jermaine Wilson, Jadian James, Nathan Simpson, and team captain Justin Anderson. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello and welcome to round 2 action here of School's Challenge Quiz. I am Jean-Paul Menu. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge. But do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move on to the next round? Let's get into the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier, we had the toss. Jamaica College won, but decided to send Dinthill Technical in to bat first. So we begin with Dinthill Technical. This section lasts for 4 minutes. We have that time on the clock, Dinthill, so we will begin with French. What is the translation of the number 84 in French?
84.
No, 84. French for Jamaica College. What is the translation of the number 79 in French?
79.
Good. International Affairs, the visual one for Dinthill. Look at the monitor, Dinthill, and identify this person, please.
We have Alexander Skollenberg, Hungary. Alexander Skollenberg.
No, it's Edgar Rinkevich, the president of Latvia International Affairs for JC. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Andrzej Duda.
No, it's Alexander Vucic, the Serbian president. Bible knowledge, Dinthill. From what book of the Bible is the verse, I can do everything through him who gives me strength?
Philippians.
That's right, Bible knowledge, JC. From what book of the Bible is the verse, children, obey your parents in the Lord, for this is right?
Ephesians.
Correct. Biology, Dinthill. What is the process of creating a wide variety of blood and bone marrow cells called?
Erythropoiesis.
No, hematopoiesis. Biology, Jamaica College. What is the liquid portion and largest component of human blood called?
Plasma.
Correct. Music for Dinthill. Listen to the following clip and give the title of this song.
Yes. Let me get my words right and then approach you. Woman, I'll treat you like a man.
She's royal.
Tyrus Riley, correct. Jamaica College. Listen to the following clip and give the title of this song.
Give me the light.
No, it's called Get Busy by Sean Paul. English language for Dinthill. Identify the adverb in this sentence. Tomorrow we will have a test.
Tomorrow. Timothy.
Tomorrow. That's right, English language for JC. What part of speech is the word choreographed in this sentence? The ballerina performed 5 dances which were choreographed.
Verb.
No, it's an adjective. Theatre and cinema, a visual one for Dinthill. Look at the monitor and identify this actress, please.
Demi Moore.
That's right, theatre and cinema for JC. Look at the monitor and identify this actress, please.
Susan Sarandon.
No, Murder, She Wrote, Angela Lansbury. General knowledge, Dinthill. In which European city would you find the Orly Airport?
City sounds French now.
Paris. European city, Paris.
Good. General knowledge, JC. In which European city would you find the Heathrow Airport?
London.
That's right. Sport, a visual one for Dinthill. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Ooh, hold on. Justin Gatlin.
Retired U.S. sprinter. That's right, JC. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Flojo.
The late U.S. Olympian Florence Griffith Joyner. Correct. Geography, Dinthill. What is the name of the cooler and more rigid outer layer of the Earth which comprises the mantle and the crust?
The lithosphere.
That's right, Geography JC. What is the full name of the location where two plates meet and geological events occur in the Earth?
Two plates meet.
Subduction
Subduction zone.
Subduction zone. Subduction zone.
No, it's the plate boundary or margin. Chemistry for Dinthill. Oh, and that is the bell. That's the end of the opening challenge. Scores in the match look to be Jamaica College on 5 points, Dinthill Technical just ahead on 7. When we come back, it'll be time for the Speed Challenge. Stay with us. School's Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.